Hi friends! Oh wait, you're not in focus. Focus. There we go! What are we doing today?
I don't know.
We're going
On a trip in a favorite rocket ship.
so
through the sky.
Hey!
so my birthday was in April, but we're celebrating it in August.
Because you
So-
just came back to Singapore.
Yeah, so like it's my 21st. I shouldn't have invited them. But yes, so,
happiness
for everyone. So yeah, it's my 21st birthday party. We are going on a boat.
And you wake up.
Beautiful.
I'm just waiting for the bus.
I am single and not ready to mingle because I'm emotionally damaged, so just leave me alone.
You might want to put it out.
No, I'm gonna leave it in. How are you gonna do your mascara today, Regine?
Oh, you can tune in for that.
Don't worry. But she's just done like makeshift whatever.
We have Jolene and Fatu.
He is the sister.
I am not a sister.
Sisters!
And we have here sitting at the back, featuring the beautiful lashes of Joan.
Oh.
Flutter them for me, please. Ah, beautiful. Yours truly, Karina.
Beautiful.
Single and ready to mingle.
Beautiful.
Hit me up, banana.
Oh dear. Today I brought my really obnoxious sunglasses. What are these called, Regine? What are these glasses?
What do you call it?
Oh, did you guys bring your
Enrique Iglesias.
Sunrique Iglesias. You ruined it.
I'm off my
The Sunrique Iglesias.
It's so horribly done.
Oh, leave me alone.
Give me a little bit of a left and right. Ah, beautiful. It's a mascara.
Before, after.
Oh my god. Yay, friends!
I got the beer.
Okay.
So what we do just get to
We are now at the boat.
the boat, the dock, right?
Yes. Janice! Hello! My friends! Hello! Yay! We are all here!
Okay, bye, Deja.
Except the sun. The sun's not here.
But the sun looks nice, and this kind of be like the nice one.
Yeah.
Nice lighting.
It's so excited. Yay.
Your shoes slipper here?
Inside the box.
Yes. We'll bring later.
This is the boat. Oh.
Drinks here and the cooler outside.
It's not nice. Okay.
And put our things there.
Wait, where?
Downstairs.
I want to sit there. Oh my god. Oh my god, why is it so cold? Where are we going?
Okay, Santino's lost. What do you mean dibs? You're not staying here. Oh, yeah, okay, that's just a lot of wind. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
It's quite dope though.
This is so cute.
Dips.
Okay.
What, your bunk?
Yeah,
Anyway, he just said put your bags down, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my god. What? This is sick, man.
You should try sitting. It's really cool.
Hello, my friends. This is so cool. Set sail.
Oh my god, thank you, Daisy.
You're welcome.
Yeah, and the other guy is over there.
Yeah.
It's already there.
Mother.
My leg's not good.
Say hi, friends! Hi!
Toodaloo!
Claire! Fiona, say hi! Okay. Hello!
Hello, my love.
Hello!
Happy birthday, Daisel.
Why?
We're on a boat.
We're on a boat.
We're on a boat.
We on the boat.
Wait, look at that. Look at
Is it in
the skyline.
I need to puke.
Why are you oh my god.
I'm taking a video. Just like act like you own the place. Good
I'm
enough.
wearing these obnoxiously large sunglasses.
That's the only
Why
time
not?
you
It's
care.
the only, yeah.
You're on a yacht.
It's like Tino wearing his white shirt.
Exactly.
Me wearing the obnoxiously large. Even though there's no sun.
There is no sun. So this is Daisel's what party?
21st birthday party.
On a
August?
I wanted to say what are we on?
Yoke.
On a yacht. On a yacht. Daisel, I think you rented a yacht.
Yeah.
That's what you did. You rented
In
a
New
yacht.
York,
It's a
yacht.
yacht.
This is a yacht.
Yacht.
Happy birthday. It's a party.
Oh yes.
It's a party.
We're gonna eat now.
Yum.
So like I think we're gonna eat first and then we're gonna cut the cake.
Okay.
Because then at least like we'll
Get that all, yeah. Okay. Many regrets.
Come on, June.
I quit this life.
It's alright, it's mine, but it's cool.
Sorry.
It's all good.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, I can't really see this.
Are you ready? I saw it.
Oh my god! It's a booby cake! Size up, Phil.
She's true to
It's a
science.
booby cake.
So true to science.
Oh my god, that is so...
You outdone yourself, man. How did you measure it? Like, you just put
I just
like
by eye.
She put her bra like next to it,
Mold it first.
and then
She said I'm the mold.
By eye.
it's a booby cake. Oh my god, there's a my leaving come back. Huh? I'm taking your booby cake.
Oh my god, the booby cake. Oh
my god, you're thinking.
Hey! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to Daisel! That's you! Happy birthday to you!
Yeah!
Make a wish!
Your wish has to be quick.
Yay!
Not a.
Oh, I should just cut in between.
Split the breast.
Really?
Oh,
Split the cake.
split a cleave!
Yes.
Cleave it!
Yay!
Are you actually?
Mine is not the cleanest.
Oh my god! One book. It took you 7 hours to make this cake.
Yeah.
So cute. Do you bring this?
It actually looks very good.
It looks solid.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers, y'all!
Thanks a lot.
Daisel, can you flip your hair? Like, and look back at me.
No, I just can't.
I have to hold you.
I think it's
Wait, glasses off first. Okay,
Wait. He's fighting me. Wait. Fuck, let go of me. Help me.
Oh, wrong way.
Wait. He's fighting me. Can you get let go of my leg? Guys!
It's okay, you can go in first. I'm taking my phone.
Go!
Hazel! What is she doing? This is the best.
Are they going in?
Yes. You gotta jump.
It smells funky.
Say hi, people. Hi, June. Hi, friends. You just think the water smells really good. Wow, wow. My nose bleeds.
1, 2, 3.
Wow.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
What was that? Jump.
Bob, can you?
Oh dear.
We're in the water.
I'm gonna ride you. Oh my god, you okay? Oh, that's that idea.
Yeah.
He looks more tropical. Yeah.
Ready? Go! Pull her, Kaya, pull her!
I pressed my bed on. Oh! Everyone's down. This is going so badly. Oh dear.
Batu, come on! Okay. Are you okay? Go left. I don't know, shit!
Eyes are burning.
Just
Got it. Please stop.
Are you okay?
This is the life.
Yeah, sure. Hey, yo.
Are you serious?
And then you have to like turn like.
I'm just dead weight. Hello, friends.
Hello.
Is he a dolphin?
You got him.
Wow, very cinematic, you know?
Yeah. I really think I can hold.
Bye bye boat. Thanks. It was fun.
Thank you. Dress. Big dress. You look like a beach.
Yay!
So where you want to take it?
Is someone doing this on purpose? I feel like somebody's doing this on purpose.
3.